The Samsung Galaxy A58 5G is shaping up as a powerful and feature-rich mid-range smartphone that brings several upgrades, making it feel closer to premium devices while still offering excellent value. It's expected to feature a large 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and vivid visuals, delivering smooth scrolling and vibrant media playback. Under the hood, the A58 5G is likely powered by a modern Exynos chipset, such as the Exynos 1780 or similar, paired with 8 GB or more of RAM and generous storage options with microSD expansion, ensuring responsive performance for everyday use, gaming, and productivity. Photography is a highlight with a high-resolution main camera of up to 108 MP supported by ultra-wide and macro sensors, along with a capable front camera for sharp selfies and video calls. Battery life should impress thanks to a large battery, around 6,000 to 8,900 mAh, with fast charging support, giving you all-day endurance even with heavy use. The phone runs Samsung's One UI on Android, offering a smooth and feature-packed software experience with modern connectivity like 5G, Wi-Fi 6, NFC, and robust security features. With its combination of big battery, strong cameras, immersive display, and 5G speeds, the Galaxy A58 5G stands out as a top choice in the mid-range segment.